Hi, welcome to Mary's Math Club. Today we will prove that an isosceles triangle, the opposite angles of two equal sides are also equal to each other. How? Let's see. This is a triangle ABC. This is an isosceles triangle where AB is equal to AC. So, it's our given condition that AB is equal to AC as it is an isosceles triangle. Now, to prove that this angle means this angle equal to this angle, we will draw a line such that this line coming from straight line coming from the point A will join with the midpoint of the side BC. So D is the midpoint of BC. So D is the midpoint of BC according to our drawing. So AB is equal to AC because it is an isosceles triangle, and we have drawn that AD, which is where D is the midpoint of the side BC. Now we will prove. Now very clearly we are getting two triangles when we have drawn a line AB. One triangle is ABD and another triangle is a triangle ACD. Now we will compare both the triangles. See, in triangle ABD and in triangle ACD or ADC, whatever you say, but ACD is alphabetically coming. We are getting AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. It is given condition. And BD is equal to CD as per our drawing. As per our drawing, we are getting this. And AD is the side, common side for both the triangle. So it is satisfying SSS. So it is satisfying SSS S condition. Once again I am saying from the beginning that this is an isosceles triangle ABC and AB is equal to AC, and we have to prove that the two angles of the equal sides, opposite angles of the equal sides are equal to each other. And to do this, we did a drawing here. We connected A and the point D. D is nothing but the midpoint of the side BC, and then we got AD, and now we are getting comparing the two triangle, because after joining AD we are getting two triangle. One is ABD and another triangle is ACD. So in triangle ABD and in triangle ACD we are getting AB is equal to AC as it was given an isosceles triangle. BD is equal to CD as per our drawing. This portion is equal to this portion, and AD is common side. AD is common side for both the triangle, this triangle and this triangle. So these things are satisfying the condition SSS, this condition. So then we can say that these two triangles, small triangle ABD and ACD are congruent. This is the sign of congruency. And whenever these two triangles are congruent, that means we can say this angle equal to this angle. So angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. It's proved. And ABD is nothing but the opposite angle of AC, and angle ACD is nothing but the opposite angle of AB. So we proved the topics. Keep watching Mary's Math Club. Like, share and subscribe. Bye. Please click on the subscribe button and ring notification bell to stay updated with new videos.